welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick tidy up. Well, it's probably not going to be quick, but I'm going to declutter and reorganize and just all over tidy my pantry. And I know what you're thinking, the pantry's back there, but this apartment, the cabinet space isn't very deep, so it doesn't really fit pots and pans, so I've displayed all my pretty pots and pans in the pantry. But this apartment also came with this huge cupboard, and so this is where all of our food is. So I will give you an overview of this. It's pretty messy. I'm pretty embarrassed to be showing you it like this, but it is what it is. So I'll give you an overview, and then I will speed up me actually cleaning it out and then show you what it's like afterwards. I really enjoy these kinds of videos, so I just like watching people speed clean. What can I say? So that's what today's video is, so let me give you an overview first. Okay, so here is an overview of everything. The first two shelves are fine, but then you get down here and you're like, oh my lord, what is happening? So I also just find it helpful to go through your pantry, like maybe even seasonally, and just throw out things that are old, maybe get rid of things you aren't really using, clean off the shelves, reorganize some things. So that is exactly what I'm going to do today. I like to keep like breakfast items, canned goods, backup sauces and such, sweet treats, baking stuff, and then some chips in the bread section, and other things have creeped in there. And then this is kind of miscellaneous down here, but we will fix that. So much Easter candy from Bradley's mom. But we will fix all of this, so let's get to it. Also, please know I'll be watching The Hills on my iTunes this entire time. Alright, so when I do this kind of cleaning, I just take everything off the shelf. I do have the little liners for the shelves. I just take that off, clean it, and then put everything back, and then I reorganize as I'm putting it back. And I am checking all of the dates and just really making sure that everything I have on hand is still good and not old, and still things that we use, so we don't have any clutter or anything. And if you're curious, this is my favorite kitchen cleaner. It's the Method All-Purpose Cleaner in the lime and sea salt scent. It is heavenly and amazing and really cleans really well. So yeah, I'm just cleaning the shelves, then putting everything back on it. Guys, so I am done, and here is what everything looks like. It is looking so much better. I was able to get rid of quite a bit of stuff. I freed up pretty much an entire shelf because we just had stuff we weren't using or that was expired. I'm also puppy sitting today. Hi babe, keep drinking. Drink your water. This is Luna Tuna, my brother's dog. But, so I'm just gonna give you an overview of our overall organization of this place. So, top row are mostly breakfast items, but a few random things as well. So over here, we have kind of like our bars and snack thingies. So I don't usually eat these three things, but these are Bradley's favorite for on the go. Excuse me. Hey! No. No, ma'am. You go this way. Say goodbye to the pantry. Bye-bye. So as I was saying, these three things I don't usually eat. These are Bradley's favorite things for on the go. So we have like cereal bars, granola bars. These are my favorite little fruit pouches for on the go. We have some oatmeal, just like random to go stuff over here. Then we have some nuts and things that I just like to keep in these mason jars. They come in these annoying bags at Trader Joe's. So, oh. Did you hit your head? You're gonna be annoying during this, aren't you? They come in those bags and they're just kind of annoying, and this keeps them fresher longer anyway, so I just keep all of our nuts and such in little mason jars, and I keep the things we don't use as much in the back. So nuts and such. Then in this bowl we keep all of our potatoes. So I have some sweet potatoes, baby potatoes. I don't know, I've read that they're better to keep in a dark place, so I just put them in a bowl in here. I've had this bowl for like literally 12 years. It's ridiculous. Have some granola, and then all of our cereals. Then down here we have more canned and jarred goods, and then our pastas and like oils. So this pantry is really nice because it's very wide, so it allows things to be kind of more spread out instead of deep, which I really appreciate, because even though this is in the back, I can still pick it up and see what it is, you know? So over here we just have some crap. We have some soup and stock. I love this rice from Trader Joe's. Then we have all of our canned goods, jar goods. Then we have our pastas. I had some leftover orzo that I had in a bag, and I was like, you know what, let's put that in a jar. And then all of our like oils and condiments that aren't in the fridge. So, and a lot of backups as well, because we buy things in twos sometimes. Excuse me! Get out of the cupboard. Then down here we have the baking section. So I have like my rolled oats, my different kinds of flours, my Truvia brown sugar, and then I have normal flour and then self-rising flour behind it. And I got this flour canister at Home Goods a while ago. Did you like that noise? And I just think it's so cute and I love it. Then we have baking powder, baking soda, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, honey, like all my baking stuff. I have this stuff full of like candles and decorating things and sprinkles, some cupcake liners. Excuse me, you are going after the candy. You can't have chocolate, little bug. You can't. I also keep chocolate chips in these little containers as well. We got some Truvia in there. And then some more sweet treats. So we have the churro bites and some vanilla wafers, my favorite special cookies. And then this next, excuse you. This next row got disorganized because Bradley had breakfast. Anybody's spouses or husbands or boyfriends or fiancés like just refuse to go along with your fridge or pantry organization. It's like, come on. Luna, you are ruining this video. So we have bread products. So we have our bagels and then my flat out breads, which those are very easy to use on Weight Watchers. So I have a bunch of kinds of those. Then we have our chips and snacks section and then our crackers section. And then that is the bottom shelf that has a lot of room open. I got rid of a lot of stuff. That's just rice. These are olives from Greece, which is cool. And yeah, that is it, you guys. Also, by the by, while I'm showing you kitchen things, this is our pantry and we just did I did a little bit of reorganizing. If you've seen our apartment tour or anything, or just any kitchen videos, we used to have like our brooms and things just kind of stacked up against the corners with the stuff hitting the floor, and I didn't like it and it seemed really crowded. So I ordered these command hooks on Amazon. I'll link them down below. And they're great. You just freaking, you know, pop them in and out. They're really easy and it gets things off of the floor, less of a mess. Oh my goodness. Okay. Less of a mess, and it just like makes everything look so much better. And then I got this pack of 3 shelves. I was gonna say I'd link them down below, but I don't know if I'd recommend them. They're okay quality, but they're not the best. But I really wanted a shelf for my cookbooks, but this is just not like deep enough. The cookbooks are huge and like came off the side. However, we moved some of our like everyday use things out of the cabinet onto this. So we have some sesame seeds, our chunky sea salt, our coconut spray, and then these 2 little salt and pepper shakers I got from Target that I still need to fill. We just used like the salt and pepper from over here. I have the Himalayan pink salt and then Trader Joe's pepper, but like when we have guests over for dinner, I feel like these would be easier to grab and just set on the table, and they're just so cute. So yeah, so I need to fill those. But yeah, I like this little nook for things like that, and it can continue to grow. Our kitchen is going to be changing as we get more wedding registry gifts because we really are like trying to overhaul the entire kitchen. I cleaned out all of our cups. Like we had so many cups that overwent into here as well, and now we just, I mean, we still have a lot of cups, but we still have room to grow. I'm just really gonna talk your ear off right now. But we got these cups from IKEA and I love them. We got 2 that are green tinted and 2 that are pink tinted, and I was gonna buy more, but I'm like, let me just buy 4 and let's see how we like them, and I'm loving them. I love the size, love the shape, I think they're so cute. I'm sorry, the gardeners are working now, but I think they're so cute, so I'm definitely gonna buy more. But I haven't really found a bunch of cups that I love for our registry, so I found those at IKEA and I'm like, I'm just gonna buy them. Here's our cute Tokyo Disney cups. Okay, I'm just talking now. But we're trying to overhaul the entire kitchen, so things will change. I've mentioned these before, but I love these spice racks. They're just from the Container Store. Life changing, especially because like our stove is right here, so I'm like cooking here and I like reach in here and it works out great. So it's filled to the brim. We can't have any more. This is my favorite row because it's rainbow. But yeah, and then I just have like a hook right here for the little pot holder. My favorite pot holder, sorry, Bradley ate an apple and left it out. Disgusting. My favorite pot holder is this UV glove, which is literally the ugliest thing in the world. Sorry, I'm putting it on for you, trying to do this one-handed. It's so ugly, but like, I just like I don't know, it just is comfortable and I feel like I'm not gonna burn myself, but look how ugly it is. But I wish that it had some sort of like hanging device so I could hang it up. It's also disgustingly dirty. But we also do have this other second pot holder for when you need two, and I just hung it with like a little clear push pin. So that is the organization of our pantry slash pot cabinet. We keep our recyclables down here and then our little step stool. But yeah, I did a little overhaul. But back to the pantry. I hope you found this helpful. I love to watch organization videos and I thought since I'm doing it, I might as well film it. But I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great day. I will see you very soon in another video. Leave me down below what kind of videos you'd like to see. And hey! No, she's begging for attention. Excuse me, we don't chew. Hey! No. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Bye, guys.